Hi guys, today we've had in this 2017 Jaguar XE. This has come to us for an audio upgrade. The customer approached us because this vehicle left the factory with a standard basic Jaguar Land Rover audio system. We've designed a system for this using predominantly the Audison Prima gear, which we use a hell of a lot. We've actually got a very similar setup in our Abarth 595, and it just performs really well at a very decent price point. So the system of choice in this car is a set of 6.5-inch Audison Prima component speakers. So the 6.5-inch speakers have gone into each door. The doors have undergone comprehensive sound treatment, so very strong, very solid doors. The tweeters are mounted on top of the dashboard. In the OE locations, they look really nice. We've run them speakers off the Audison 4.9-bit amplifier. It's a 4-channel amplifier, and we've actually run this system fully active. By that, what we mean is every speaker has got a dedicated channel from the amplifier driving it, and that gives us a lot more control when we're fine-tuning the system. We've also installed in the boot of this car, which I'll show you shortly, a 10-inch active, which means an amplified Audison Prima enclosure. So it's got a 10-inch subwoofer taking care of all low-end bass. Back to the amplifier now, the DSP amplifier allows us full control over tuning this car to perfection, and it gives us time alignment as well. Once we've set everything up, all the crossover points, we've then used a bit tune, which is used to actually tune the system. And the end result, the transformation, is remarkable, really. This car now sounds amazing. It plays all types of music. The mid-bass is really tight. Because we've sounded in them doors really well, it's a 6-inch driver, it almost performs as almost like a mini subwoofer. So there's a lot of hard mid-bass in the front of this car. The highs are absolutely crisp. And the 10-inch in the boot, it really needs to be heard, to be appreciated. It performs extremely well. This system is one of our go-to systems. We tend to use this system a hell of a lot in a lot of cars we do down here. The best way to understand what I'm saying is to actually come down and have a demo in one of our demo cars. We've got a few cars down here running various different systems. So come down, book yourself in for a demonstration, and we'll show you what something sounds like. So I'll just show you around the car now. So first of all, the doors have all been sound treated with 3 layers of soundproofing. We'll open the car now and just show you what we've got inside it. So everything looks absolutely factory in here. All the speakers have gone beyond the original panels. We are running factory stereo inside the car. All looks OE. I'm not sure if you can see where the tweeters have actually been mounted. Yeah, I'll show you through here. So the tweeters have actually gone in the original locations and look absolutely fantastic there. They perform really well. We've also mounted a bass controller up here, so this allows the owner to control exactly how much bass he's listening to at any one time. Even without the subwoofer controller turned up, it actually sounds fantastic in this car. I mean, like I said, everything looks OE, sounds brilliant. I'll just quickly show you what we've actually done in the boot. So in the boot, we've got our go-to Audison Active 10-inch enclosure. This is an amplified subwoofer, and it performs unbelievably well, even in a saloon car. The Audison 4.9-bit amplifier, I'm not sure if you can actually see it, has been mounted down here in the corner. Again, performs exceptionally well. This amplifier is one of our go-to choices at the moment. We seem to be using them a hell of a lot. But yeah, guys, if anybody is interested in a similar audio upgrade in their car, please feel free to give us a shout, or feel free to come in and have a demo of one of our demo cars. Thanks for watching, guys.